Hi guys, this is Sultan Ali. Now today, this is my first class of the Illustrator. In this lesson, I will teach you Illustrator basics. So I hope you will be able to watch in this video if you need, because you would like to learn Illustrators. So first of all, you have to understand what is Illustrator. So now click on the Illustrators. Now the Illustrator is open. First of all, go to the file and then new. The shortcut control command N. Now you have to understand name. Just suppose you have a new design, you have create a new design, so you can type the name as you wish. Profile. What is profile? It means print, website, device, video and film, basic. This is for print. This is for web. This is for device, video and film and basic. Now size. You can take letter size, legal size, A4 size, A3 size, as you wish when you have needed for the design. Now this is a width. It means width, height of the design. You have to create a design, you have to need width or height. It's the most important part for the page. It is inch, unit. You can create banner, visiting card, so you should take inch, pixel, millimeters, centimeter, as you wish. Now blade. What is blade? It's the most important part of the illustrators, because just suppose you have to create, you would like to create a new design, so you have to choose 0.125. just suppose you have to select inch, you have to need it 0.125 of the whole side, top, bottom, left, right. I hope you got in this process. Now this is a color mode. What is necessary of the color mode for the design? CMYK. It is used for only print. RGB. What is RGB? This RGB, this color mode is used only website designing. You mean? Just suppose you would like to create YouTube banner, website banner, Facebook banner, you have to choose RGB. First of all, I would like to say rasterize effect, high resolution. Just suppose you have to create short visiting card or wedding card, so you have to select 300. Otherwise, just you can create a big banner like 5 feet or 6 feet, so you have to choose 72 ppi. Okay, I hope you got it. Now click. I'd like to say something. Orientation. What is orientation? It means it's a page width or height orientation. I hope you got it. You manage it for trying and okay. Now first of all, I would like to show what is rectangle tool. Click on the rectangle tool and Alt plus Shift, press on the keyboard and drag like this. Now go to the fill color. This is the fill color. You can choose, click on the every color. I hope you got it. Now this is the fill color and other side stroke color. Click here, is a fill color, and then click here, is a stroke color. You can increasing the stroke color, so select stroke color, click here, select the stroke color, and you have to use cursor key on the keyboard up side. Click on the cursor key of the down to the down. I hope you got it. You can close the fill color or offset color in this software. So now I would like to show the process. Click the fill color and close it. Click the stroke color and close it. Click the fill color, click the stroke color, click the fill color, close the fill color, click the stroke color, close the stroke color. I hope you got this process. So now just I am going to close the stroke color. This is a selection tool. Shortcut command V. Is a shortcut selection tool. I hope you got it. The tool. This tool is used only for moving. Only for moving. I hope you got it. Now, direct selection tool. What is direct selection tool? How will you use direct selection tool? Direct selection tool, how will you use it? So now I would like to use the direct selection tool. You follow me attentively. Now click here and drag mouse on the left side. Press on the mouse left side. I hope you got it. Now you follow the anchor. Select the circle. Drag like this. Select the object and press D on the keyboard for delete. Now click on the rectangle tool and drag like this. Click on the move direct selection tool. It's command A. Drag like this. Select the anchor and drag down. I hope you got it. You can play in this tool several times. I hope you will be able to manage in this process very easily. So now I would like to show the other tools. What is pen tool? I will show you pen tool. How to use pen tool? Just Click the pen tool, click here, and then click here. You must click left side on the mouse and click this anchor. Click here. Do not leave the anchor, drag like this for making leave. Then go to the move tool, then remove. You can move always. Pen tool, just click on the pen tool and click left click on the mouse, shift press for straight line. Shift press for straight line. You'll be able to press, you will be able to press anytime to a straight line for making a straight line. So you can have to, or you can have press always shift. Shift press. I hope you got it use how to use in this pen tool. So now I'd like to show what is a stroke. Shift press and click on the mouse, left click obviously, click the move tool, select a stroke, drag like this, and you can stroke increasing. Click on the stroke color and increasing. You can choose the color. Now I would like to show how to use uniform. Click this sign. Now you can manage you can see increasing or reducing the stroke for every part in the uniform. I would like to say copy and paste. How will you copy of the image and paste of the image? Control Command C for copy and Control Command F for paste in font. Now you can down press on the cursor key of the keyboard and upside of the cursor key on the keyboard. I hope you can follow the sign. Closing the anchor, you can follow the sign. It's for round. Press the left key on the mouse for round. I hope you got it the process. So now is image delete. Select the old image, delete. Today I would like to show the text tool. Click the text tool and click on the artboard. Now you can type, select this tool and select this anchor and drag, click the left side on the mouse and drag like this. I hope you got it, the process. So if you would like to show the next video, you must be subscribed this channel. I will show you how to use all the toolbars in the illustrators. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share and comments. Bye bye.